Breaking. Strong 6.7 magnitude earthquake strikes coast of Chile. A strong earthquake has struck near the city of Coquimbo in central Chile. A tsunami warning was initially issued but quickly cancelled. The quake hit at 10:32 p.m. local time, 1:32 a.m. GMT, and was centered just off the coast. The epicenter was about 15 kilometers, 9.3 miles, southwest of Coquimbo, which is a major port in the region of the same name. It hit at a depth of 53 kilometers, 33 miles, meaning it was relatively shallow. The U.S. Geological Survey said the magnitude of the shake was 6.7 on the Richter scale. The initial tsunami warning for the Coquimbo region was issued by the National Office of Emergencies. Damage has been reported at several locations, but there was no immediate news of any casualties. According to ANEMI director Ricardo Toro, more than 200,000 people in the area were suffering power outages. Chile is situated on the so-called Ring of Fire, where the Earth's tectonic plates meet and rub against each other. This area of the world is where the majority of earthquakes take place and where volcanic eruptions occur more frequently.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.